Seedance 2 free and legal. Here's how I create cinematic AI videos without paying every time. If you've been searching for a way to create cinematic AI videos without spending hundreds of dollars every month, you might want to watch this until the end. Most people think using Seedance 2 requires an expensive subscription, but that's not entirely true. Today, I'm going to show you a legal method that lets you access Dreamina Seedance 2 fast through another platform called Dola. No cracked software, no hacks, no viruses, just an official platform that already integrates the AI model. And later in this video, I'll also compare text to video and image to video so you can decide which workflow fits your projects best. Let's get started. Before we jump in, if you're interested in AI filmmaking, AI tools, and tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe because I upload new AI content every week. Now, what makes Seedance 2 so special? Unlike many AI video generators, Seedance creates incredibly smooth motion, cinematic camera movement, realistic lighting, and much better prompt understanding. Whether you're making YouTube shorts, TikTok videos, advertisements, or even short films, it can produce impressive results in just a few minutes. The problem is that many creators assume they have to pay immediately to use it. Fortunately, there is another option. Today, I'll show you how to use Seedance through Dola, a platform that integrates multiple AI models into one interface. First, open your browser and go to www.dola.com or download the Dola desktop application. After signing in, you'll see different AI tools, including AI chat and AI creation. For this tutorial, we'll use AI creation. Inside AI creation, you'll notice two main ways to generate videos. The first is text to video. The second is image to video. Let's start with text to video. On the right side of the interface, choose Dreamina Seedance 2 Fast as your AI model. Then select your preferred video duration and aspect ratio. I'll choose the vertical format because it's perfect for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Now let's write a cinematic prompt. For this demonstration, I'll create a terrifying alien creature hunting its prey across a dark, muddy planet under stormy skies. Once the prompt is ready, click Generate. Depending on server traffic, the rendering usually takes around 1 to 3 minutes. Here's the final result. Notice the smooth camera movement, realistic creature animation, detailed environments, and cinematic atmosphere. Now let's try image to video. Upload any image you'd like to animate. Then describe the motion you want. For this example, I'll use a spaceship image and ask Seedance to create a cinematic sequence where the spacecraft flies through the Milky Way at high speed while the camera slowly follows behind. Click Generate. Wait a few moments, and here's the result. Honestly, it's hard to believe this was generated entirely by AI. The movement is fluid, the lighting feels natural, and the final quality looks surprisingly close to a professional movie shot. One thing I really like about this workflow is how simple everything is. You don't need complicated editing software or advanced animation skills. Just write a good prompt, choose the right model, and let the AI do the heavy lifting. If you're creating content for YouTube, social media, marketing, or client projects, this can save you hours of work while delivering impressive visual quality. If you'd like to try it yourself, I've included my official registration link in the description below. Using that link helps support the channel at no additional cost to you, and it allows me to continue creating free tutorials like this. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you'd like me to test next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.